Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Omio account, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. After that, go to your profile, which is at the bottom of the screen, the third icon, then click on the passenger details, scroll down, and you can see the delete account section. So you have to contact customer service to delete your account. Click on the page help.omio.com, and then here you have to enter your email address, the passenger name, the subject and description, or your telephone number. You can attach files if you want, and then click on the submit. And after that, someone from the customer service will help you and will send you a message how you can delete your account. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.